Okay, in the second page of the homework, we're looking at a key signature, and here we have the key signature with the 4 flats. And we're writing the minor scale for that key signature. First thing we need to do is figure out what is the minor key. And since we're already good at figuring out what the major key is, first determine that. So in a key with flats, we know it's the next to the last flat that is the tonic of the major key. So in here with 4 flats, B flat, E flat, A flat, and D flat, we know it's A flat major, and we're going to go down 2 notes, A flat to G, then G to F, and we know that's the tonic of the relative minor. So we know that we're in the key of F minor. So I'm going to write that here. So there we have the tonic note of the minor key, the F minor key for this key signature identified. Now, once we have the key signature, to write the natural minor is a piece of cake because the notes that are in the key signature form the natural minor. So I'm going to write in a G, an A, which is a flat, a B, which is a flat, a C, a D, an E, and I got to extend my lines here a little bit, and then we get an F. Okay, so that F natural minor scale is F, G, A flat, B flat, C, D flat, E flat, and F. And from G to A flat, from the second to the third degrees, is a half step because of the notes in the key signature. And from C, the fifth degree, or the dominant, to D flat is a half step or a minor second, and that's going from the fifth to the sixth degrees, or the dominant to the submediant. And then everything else is a major second, and that's all as it should be in the natural minor. But now we've learned that for the ascending melodic minor, we raise the sixth and the seventh degrees. So the sixth and the seventh degrees here are D flat and E flat. And to raise a flat note, we add a natural sign. And you've got places to practice drawing naturals. So the sixth degree is D, or D flat here. So I raise that by writing a natural sign in front of the D. And then the seventh degree is E flat in the natural minor form. So I'm going to raise that a half a degree by putting a natural sign in front of it. So now where I started out by just drawing the notes of the scale, and I had the F, G, A flat, B flat, C, D flat, E flat, F, which made the natural minor form. I know your eyes are glazing over. I'm sorry to bring pain into your life, but you're going to get this. All the accidentals were in there automatically from the key signature. Then I've just looked at the sixth and the seventh degrees. Notice that they were flat in the key signature, and I know that to raise them up, I turn them into naturals, and so I write the natural sign in there. So as you do this homework, where you're looking at the key signatures, first mentally or even in pencil, identify what the tonic of the major is. That's the 8th degree of the scale. Go down 8, 7, 6. So let's say that you have a E. You're going to go down, and you'll see that because that would have 4 sharps. E, D sharp, C sharp. C sharp will be the tonic of the major, not of the major, but of the minor. And let me look on here. I probably put that in there. Yep, one of those keys does have 4 sharps. So it will be C sharp minor, and then as you go up the scale, you'll see what you need to do to raise the 6th and the 7th degrees. And I'll give you a hint, you're going to need to add sharps there because those notes will be naturals already. Okay, so have fun with that. If you get confused, that's what this is all about. Get confused, make some mistakes, then we'll straighten you out. Okay, have fun with this.